Black Friday 2025 is almost here, and Wayfair is packed with incredible deals you won't want to miss. Whether you're looking to upgrade your patio, refresh your bedroom, or add festive touches for the holidays, we've got you covered. From luxurious outdoor seating and sturdy gazebos to cozy hybrid mattresses and stylish decor, these 11 deals are perfect for every home. Stick around because some of these items sell out fast, and you'll want to know exactly which ones are worth grabbing. Let's dive into the top Wayfair steals for this year. LayinSun's Alturas. Searl set works well if you want roomy outdoor seating that holds up to the weather. The aluminum frame feels sturdy, and the cushions stay comfortable without fading or soaking through. The mix of a sofa, love seat, chairs, and a simple table makes it easy to host a group. Machine washable covers and solid warranties add helpful peace of mind. EROMMY's hardtop gazebo gives you a solid, weather-ready outdoor space. The galvanized steel roof handles wind and snow well, and the double-top design improves airflow while keeping bugs out. The aluminum frame and reinforced columns feel stable and low maintenance. The built-in hook is handy for lights or a fan. It works as a cozy spot for family time, gatherings, or relaxing on your own. Wayfair Sleep's medium hybrid mattress offers steady support with a mix of coils and gel memory foam. It feels balanced, keeps motion to a minimum, and stays cool through the night. The edge support is reliable, and the hypoallergenic design helps sensitive sleepers. It works with box springs, slats, or adjustable bases. Once it fully expands, it delivers a comfortable and consistent sleep experience. Arlmont & Company's Ebonique Cantilever umbrella gives you flexible shade with a wide canopy that resists fading and harsh sunlight. The aluminum frame feels solid, and the rotation and tilt options make it easy to stay covered as the sun moves. The included base sets up quickly, and the tabs for hanging lights add a nice touch for evening use. Beachcrest Home's Shawnna folding Adirondack chairs offer easy comfort and simple upkeep. The HDPE build holds up well in sun, rain, and coastal weather, and the classic shape fits right into any outdoor space. Folding hinges make storage simple, and the cup holders are a handy touch for relaxed afternoons or evenings outside. 17 stories Rasharkin wall sconce gives your entryway warm, clear light with a simple mix of metal and glass that fits most styles. It installs quickly with the included hardware and works well in wet or dry spots. The matte black finish and vintage-style bulb look add charm, though you'll need to purchase the bulb separately. Dakota Field's Ducret pillow brings a soft boho touch to any chair or sofa. The wool blend feels cozy, and the mix of patterns adds texture without overwhelming the room. It holds its shape well, and the zipper keeps it secure. At 20 inches, it works as a stylish accent that's easy to care for. Union Rustic's Kira platform bed feels solid and looks clean in any of its 3 wood tones. The headboard adds character while giving reliable support. The wood and steel build is sturdy, and the slats remove the need for a box spring. Setup is simple with the included tools, and the frame easily handles everyday use. 3 posts Ottis faux linen curtains bring a soft, textured look that suits bedrooms or living rooms. They darken the room enough to cut glare and add privacy while still keeping a warm feel. The fabric hangs neatly, and the 3-in-1 header gives you flexible hanging options. They're easy to style and make any space feel calmer. Loon Peak's Elland Adirondack chairs are sturdy, comfortable, and easy to maintain. The HDPE build handles sun, rain, and daily wear without fading or cracking, and the curved back feels supportive. They fold for simple storage, and the wood-like finish adds charm. Stainless steel hardware boosts durability, making them reliable for everyday outdoor use. The Holiday Isle Lettre Nordic spruce tree offers a full realistic look without the mess of real needles. Its plastic branches stay lush, and the sturdy metal stand keeps it stable. Pre-strung with clear lights, it's easy to set up and instantly adds festive charm to any room. That wraps up our roundup of the 11 best Wayfair Black Friday 2025 deals. From outdoor furniture and cozy mattresses to stylish decor and holiday essentials, these picks make upgrading your home easy and affordable. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab these deals before they're gone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe for more home and tech deals, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Share your favorite finds in the comments. We'd love to hear what you're shopping for this Black Friday.